Hi Renedy, welcome.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
Hello
Hi.
Renedy. So
Yeah.
welcome to our Navodip Marinas fan page.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are
One
live
second.
now.
All right.
Yeah. So we are live now. So how are you, sir?
I'm good. Yeah. Is
Okay.
it okay?
So
Can you hear me? Yeah.
yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah.
Okay. So how are you spending your time during this pandemic situation?
It's bad for everyone, isn't it? Everyone is
Uh,
suffering all over the world, but
Yes.
the thing
Yes.
is, football cannot stop. So for
Yes.
first month was crazy. It was bad, but last 2 months we have been trying to do a bit, and I'm running an academy. So here I try and give the training program every day. Those who can't come, those who stays far, but there are some students, there are some kids who stays nearby. So we try and do a little bit every day, yeah, so that we don't miss out on football. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So as we all know that you played for more than a decade for India, and you played
Yeah.
for both East Bengal and Mohun Bagan. Okay, so how was your
Yes.
experience for both the both the big club and Indian football team?
For me, Calcutta will always be the best. I started with Mohun Bagan, I went to East Bengal, and I came back for 5 years again. So 6 years here, 6 years there. For me, it has been the best by far. I played ISL for a year at my ending period, and I was there as a Pune City coach, assistant coach for
Yes.
2 years. But Calcutta fans, for me, I will always remember, and I'm lucky that I spent 12 years in Calcutta, and I will always cherish it. Nothing like Calcutta supporters. This is from my heart, and it will always be the same.
But how was the
Calcutta has
pressure
given me everything.
when you played for that Mohun Bagan and East Bengal?
Yeah. What did you
So
say?
yeah, I said that how was the pressure?
Pressure. See, now is I
Yes.
as a Tata Football Academy cadet. There was, for me, pressure was there, but then it was a good positive pressure for me, because when I was made up TFM Meta, when we were in Calcutta, we beat Mohun Bagan. We beat Mohun Bagan 1-0 in Durand. We beat East Bengal 4-0 in IFSL. So for us coming to Calcutta, pressure was not like I was coming from Manipur. If I would have come from Manipur से अगर सीधा आता था तो pressure होता था. लेकिन टाटा फुटबॉल
Yeah.
एकेडमी से ऑलरेडी मैं खेलते टाटा फुटबॉल एकेडमी में रहते हुए वी हैव प्लेड विद ईस्ट बंगाल, मोहन बगान, मोहम्मदन. तीनों टीम को हारने के बाद देयर वाज नो प्रेशर. मत प्रेशर, यस, फैंस अगर 1 लाख पब्लिक अगर हारेगा तो आई नो व्हाट प्रेशर इज. मोहन बगान में भी अगर एक मैच खराब हो जाता है तो आई स्टिल रिमेंबर इट वाज 1996 97 96. और उसके बाद फिर मैं 2000 में जब आया, अगर मैच हारने के बाद 3 घंटा पब्लिक लोग बाहर में वेट करता है कि गाली देने के लिए या कार को तोड़ने के लिए, बट अगर आप जीतता है तो आपको सिर को ऊपर बैठा देता है. दैट्स कैलकाटा, एंड आई लव इट, एंड आई लाइक दैट प्रेशर, एंड आई नो देयर वर मेनी प्लेयर्स जो प्रेशर नहीं ले सका. बट
Yes,
बाईचुंग,
right.
हम लोग बाईचुंग, आई थिंक ही स्पेंड मोर देन 12 years. I spent 12 years. So
Yes,
we
right.
love it. We love Calcutta. We love the pressure. वो प्रेशर होना चाहिए प्लेयर को.
हाँ,
And
एकदम एकदम.
it's really nice to be in Calcutta. जब हमको मालूम है 3-3 घंटा पब्लिक लोग वेट करता है बाहर में कि हाँ इसको थोड़ा गाली दे, थोड़ा प्रेशर दे. But
मतलब
we did
प्रेशर
that. We took that.
yes.
हाँ, लेकिन अगर आप मैच जीतेगा, दरवी मैच जीतेगा, उसके बाद आप कैलकाटा से कहीं भी जाओ, you get good support from
Yes, right,
each
right.
and every area.
मतलब लाभ हेट दोनों ही मिलेगा कलकत्ता में खेलोगे तो.
Yeah, you get both, but you
Yes.
get more love. Calcutta, abhi bhi jao, Calcutta still remember. Calcutta people are still nice to us, even though we
Yes.
retired long time back, 2015. But still, Calcutta supporters and Calcutta people are so nice, and they're so warm to us, and it's lovely. Nothing like Calcutta, honestly. And I always say to all the players, to आप जहाँ भी खेलो, Goa खेलो, Kerala खेलो, if you don't play in Calcutta, it's not complete.
Yes,
All the
right.
players, all the professional players should at least play once in Calcutta to see what the crowd is all about.
Yes.
Yeah, Renedy, tell me something about the National League experience. You won the National League 2001 का जो National League हुआ था, tell me
हाँ.
experience about that team in Mohun Bagan, your
It
colleagues
was a
and all.
great team. Babluda was the coach.
Yes,
We
sir.
had everyone. We had many other players. Basuda, Devjit. We had Rishi Kapoor, Lolendra Singh, who played for 9 years in Mohun Bagan. And I think last match, deciding match was in Goa. अगर हम
Against
लोग
Churchill.
या अगर जितना ही था, ड्रॉ में भी चर्चिल को चैंपियन होना था. So I still remember Barreto was there. Still remember हम लोग ने कैसा करके एक गोल को कॉर्नर में, उसमें एक नाइजीरियन था, I don't remember his name, उसने हेडिंग करके जीता. लेकिन
Stephen, right?
Stephen Abarawi.
No, not Stephen, not Stephen.
Okay.
एक था स्टीफन, उसमें नहीं आया. स्टीफन
अच्छा,
उसमें नहीं था. एक प्लेयर था. हाँ, तो उसने हेडर से हम लोग कॉर्नर में, लेकिन 30,000 अगेंस्ट ऑल odds, 30,000 सपोर्टर के सामने अगर बंगाल का होके या मोहन बगान का होके जीतना, that was a difficult thing, but we did it. And मोहन बगान काफी मेरे लिए लाइफ का शुरुआत मोहन बगान से हुआ है. उसके बाद आके 5 साल खेला है. So yeah, it was good time, in मोहन बगान.
मतलब तब चर्चिल के पास मतलब गोवा में 30,000 फैन मैच देखने आते थे. अभी तो नहीं आते, मतलब आई लीग में चर्चिल.
गोवा में हम लोग याद है, हम लोग सालगांवकर में वी लॉस्ट 4-3 अगेंस्ट सालगांवकर. हम लोग 3-0 अप था. बाईचुंग बरेतो दोनों खेल रहा था उस समय.
यहाँ पता है वो मैच,
मैंने भी देखा था. 3 गोल. उसका फैंस देखा आप लोग, फैंस 25-30,000 कंप्लीट गोवा फैन. अभी वो फैन देखने नहीं मिलता है. कभी थोड़ा आईएसएल में देखने मिलता है.
नहीं, एफसी गोवा को सपोर्ट करने जाते हैं ये लोग.
एफसी गोवा को सपोर्ट करने जाते हैं, लेकिन उस समय या सालगांवकर खेलो या डेम्पो खेलो या चर्चिल खेलो, स्पेशली चर्चिल एंड सालगांवकर को सपोर्ट करने आता था उस समय. अभी वो सपोर्ट देखने नहीं मिलता है.
Yeah, actually that time there are 5 to 6 big teams in Goa, like Dempo, Franza, Churchill Brothers, Vasco, Salgaonkar Sporting Club de Goa. All are big names.
Good rivalry in those
yes,
days.
Yes. But somehow we missed those rivalries because Dempo walked away from I League, even Salgaonkar and Sporting.
Now 80, you guys, but good thing is now you guys, the players who are going to play in ATK Mohun Bagan, they are going to get the best facilities. Fans wise, I would say fans wise, there is no complaint from the players. Calcutta fans has been the best. Mohun Bagan ho, East Bengal ho. But players were not getting that facilities what they are getting in, because I have seen since 1996, I have seen the National League, I have seen the I-League, I have seen, I was an assistant coach for Pune City, Kerala Blasters. I know what facilities players do get in ISL. World class, 5-star में आपको 6 महीने आपको single room में रहेगा, and then you don't have to worry, payment on time, everything on time. So now I'm really happy ATK Mohun Bagan join करने, और from the players point of view, कि players लोग को इतना अच्छा, all they have to do is concentrate on the league, they don't have to worry, so players के लिए बहुत अच्छा. even fans के लिए जब ISL चल रहा था, मोहन बगान आई लीग में खेल रहा था, वो मजा नहीं आ रहा था. but now I'm happy that मोहन बगान is there, all the fans are going to come again, कि ISL में खेल रहा है, and look at the ground, look at the facilities, look at the organization. तो अभी मैं चाहता है कि ईस्ट बंगाल भी आओ एंड वो राइवलरी शुरू हो जाए. अगर सिर्फ मोहन बगान भी ठीक नहीं, ईस्ट बंगाल आने के बाद आप लोगों को जो 2 राइवल है, गुड फॉर फुटबॉल, गुड फॉर प्लेयर्स.
So actually this merger is required, right?
Yeah.
This ATK and Mohun Bagan merger is required for the development of football. It's required.
For the development of football, it is required, because I-League मैं जानता हूँ, I-League हम लोग 1996 से खेलते हुए आ रहा है. You have that emotional bonding है हम लोग के साथ. But if you see the modern football, if you see the facilities, Mohun Bagan has also been struggling with the money for last few years.
Yes, right.
Because ये spend करते जाता है, football में return ज़्यादा नहीं है. And I can understand from the official side also कि वो लोग काफी spend कर रहे हैं, जब वापस नहीं है तो the whole thing struggle. जब club struggle करते हैं तो player लोग को भी struggle, because they have to run their family with that paycheck, So जब time नहीं आएगा, everything is related. So I'm happy. I'm really happy that देखना चाहता हूँ जितना जल्दी हो सके ये कोविड के बाद मोहन बगान का फैंस लोग ग्राउंड में जाए, and I want to see that full house, which
yes, right.
देखने के लिए कितना 12 साल देखने जो मिलता था हम लोग को.
Actually, it's a combination of modernization and legacy. So
yes.
मोहन बागान का लोगो भी मतलब रिमेन सेम, मोहन बागान लोगो रिमेन सेम,
Jersey color, jersey color,
even
what
the
they are
jersey
wearing,
color.
jersey color
Yes,
remain the same. Yeah, so that's the
yes,
best thing.
same
Logo,
jersey color.
jersey color रहना चाहिए and fans are okay. Yeah.
Yes, we are okay. We are absolutely okay for that. The decision is very good. That this merger is. We always welcome this merger.
Yeah.
रेनेडी
It's good.
एक बात पूछना चाहूंगा कि you guys were like our childhood heroes. One guy have commented in our page also, like you, Sunil, those batch of India national team were like we have grown up seeing you people playing for India national team, and you guys have given me a lots of fond memories. So tell us something about those Indian team and how it has changed over the years.
इंडियन टीम हैव चेंज। इंडियन टीम जब 97 में आप देखोगे व्हेन बाइचुंग, हम लोग जब अंडर 19 खेल रहा था, अगर इफ यू सी इंडिया लॉस्ट 7-0 टू मलेशिया, ओके 7-0 टू मलेशिया एंड 6-0 टू इंडोनेशिया और समथिंग। बाइचुंग को बीमार हो गया था, आई बिजू भाई अंचेरी ये लोग सब जब आक्रमोव जब कोच था, आई थिंक दैट वाज समवेयर एंड दिस वाज इन 1997 आई थिंक 97 or 97। But then football has changed a lot. और हमने इंडिया का फुटबॉल अच्छा खराब आई थिंक आप एक्सपीरियंस इनफ। सो अगर जब अस्ते से सुखी जब आया, सुखी सर 1998 आफ्टर नईमुद्दीन 1998 में आने के बाद then things started changing। आप अगर 7 गोल से हारने के बाद 3-1 या 3-2 यूएई एशिया कप क्वालिफाई में उज्बेकिस्तान के साथ 3-2 यू नो। सो उस समय फुटबॉल का चेंज थोड़ा थोड़ा हो रहा था फिर खराब जाने के बाद। एंड देन suddenly we beat in World Cup qualifying 2002 Arab Emirates, UAE को हम लोग ने जीता 1-0, उधर में एक गोल हारा, बाइचुंग रेड कार्ड खाया, you know। So that was a changing phase. After that, when Bob Houghton came, Stephen Constantine tried enough but couldn't do much। But अगर उसके बाद जब आया Bob Houghton 2006 में, that was the most important phase of Indian football. That's when Sunil Chhetri young लड़का लोग आया। हम लोग 1998 से खेल रहा हूँ, दीपक मंडल, महेश गौली, they are my batch, you know। उसके बाद आस्ते आस्ते क्लाइमेक्स लोग 2002 में आया, 3 में आया, क्लाइमेक्स 2 में या 3 में आया, एंड आस्ते आस्ते उसके बाद 2006 में सुनील छेत्री 7-8 में ज्वाइन किया, वो लोग 7। तो उसके बाद जब बॉब हाउटन आया एंड हाँ all these young players 6 years, Stephen Dias, Mehraj, they all came in after that, right? So now that was the changing phase, and then after that ISL आ गया उसके बाद। So I have seen the worst and good part, but Bob Houghton for me play a very very important role in changing the Indian football face, you know। उसके बाद अभी even in now you see आपका ISL Indian Super League आने के बाद, look at the coaches coming in। I'm not saying जो गोरा लोग है सब बड़ा अच्छा कोच है, no, but there are some good Indian coaches also, but there are some good Indian foreign coaches also, so we can learn a lot। जैसा मैं 2 साल डेविड प्लैट who was the Manchester City का जो कोच था पुणे सिटी, there is a big gap, but still उसका अंदर मेरे को ऐसे असिस्टेंट वर्क करने को मिला, and that was the best thing to happen। उसके बाद हवास जो अभी एटीके का आपका कोच है, उसका अंदर में मैं असिस्टेंट था for 1 year in पुणे सिटी again। उसके बाद अभी देख रहा है अभी इवन इन द क्लब नाउ यू सी द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। उस समय का हम लोग का ट्रेनिंग कैसा होता था मालूम है, और मोहन बागान में भी पहला हम लोग ऑर्गेनाइज फैंस के हिसाब से काफी अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, लेकिन हम लोग मोहन बागान का जर्सी पहन के भी ट्रेनिंग नहीं करता था। हम लोग अपना अपना, किसी ने चेल्सी पहन कर आता था, किसी ने मैन यूनाइटेड पहन कर आता था ट्रेनिंग में। ट्रेनिंग ग्राउंड ट्रेनिंग शर्ट भी नहीं था हम लोग के पास 1996-97 में, इवन विद ऑल द। सो काफी चेंजेस आया है। आप लोग ने अभी देखा होगा कि यू नो द हाउ दे ट्रेन, अभी कैसा अभी स्पॉन्सरशिप आ रहा है। अभी बूट हम लोग पहनता था नागराज बूट, नागराज बूट मैदान में जाकर आपको ये लेके नागराज बूट होके करता था। अभी प्लेयर्स आर गेटिंग मनी टू वेयर नाइकी एंड मनी टू वेयर रिबॉक और एडिडास, यू नो। सो इट इज अ लाइफ ए चेंज, फुटबॉल प्ले हैव चेंज एंड आई एम हैप्पी young players are getting it and it should continue।
One big question.
Yeah, continue।
Okay. One big question, Andy, from all Indian football fans, that Indian football is going forward, and we are very happy that we are targeting something like World Cup in future. Don't know when it will happen, but it is a long process. So how are you seeing this sort of thing? You played both under Indian coaches and international coaches also. So is there any difference? Is there make any improvement in Indian football, those foreign coaches? Or is it like we should concentrate more on Indian coaches and give them chance? What your thought on that?
It is right. It is very important to concentrate on Indian coaches. अभी पहला क्या होता था इंडियन ऑल ड्यू रेस्पेक्ट टू इंडियन कोचेस दे वे गुड प्लेयर्स जो इंडिया का मोहन बगान ईस्ट बंगाल जितना भी कोच था दे आर वेरी वेरी गुड प्लेयर्स बट गुड प्लेयर्स डजंट मीन इट विल बी अ सक्सेसफुल कोच नहीं तो पेले और माराडोना वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट कोच होता था दोनों ने कोचिंग में पूरा फ्लॉप है अगर देखेगा तो इवन दो दे वर द बेस्ट प्लेयर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड सेम थिंग पहला होता था कोई कोचिंग कोर्स करने का कोई जरूरत नहीं था आप अगर बड़ा प्लेयर होने से बड़ा टीम का कोच होगा so that was those difficult days and I can understand but now the AIFF the Savio has been trying very hard to have the best Indian coaches to give the platform to best Indian coaches by doing a coaching course अभी कोचिंग कोर्स ए से ना डी से ए जाने के लिए 5 साल लगता है इट्स लाइक स्टडीइंग अ मेडिकल पहला ये नहीं था पहला का बड़ा बड़ा कोच भी हमने सुना है कि दे स्ट्रगल डूइंग अ कोचिंग कोर्स आप लोगों ने भी सुना होगा बहुत बड़ा बड़ा नाम कोच को स्ट्रगल हुआ है टू गेट अ लाइसेंस सो नाउ इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट अभी जो खेलना आपका इतना अच्छा खेलने से भी यू हैव टू स्टडी अ लॉट टू बी अ गुड कोच यू हैव टू हैव दैट एक्सपीरियंस पहला का क्या था कि हाँ बड़ा प्लेयर हुआ जैसा रिटायर्ड हुआ नाम के चलते कोचिंग में घुस गया आई थिंक कोचिंग टेक्स टाइम कोचिंग दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव कम बैक आफ्टर वर्किंग in Pune City as an assistant for 2 years. I have come back and opened an academy and I was a coach for Neroka also. When we work with the younger lot, with the under 18 or under 17, under 15, we get to learn every day. And like me, there are many coaches like Clifford, Maharaj, who was the assistant coach also, Ishfaq. There are many young coaches who are working really hard to get that platform to be the best coaches. So we are working on right now. There are many young coaches who are eagerly, to work hard. But पहले का ज़माने का था ये foreigner क्या करेगा ये foreigner आके क्या सीखेगा क्या करेगा. There was this fight before, but not anymore. But in future, if we keep working hard, in future in 3 or 4 years, you will see much more Indian coaches. अगर ये भी है कि क्या होता है इंडिया में चमड़ा में भी बहुत ये फर्क पड़ता है. इंडिया में अगर आप गोरा होगा कहीं से भी पकड़ के ले आएगा आप सोचता है कि वो बहुत बड़ा होगा लेकिन बहुत सारा मोहन बगान ईस्ट बंगाल में भी कलर होके लाया बहुत बड़ा फ्लॉप है प्लेइंग में भी फ्लॉप करके गया है देयर आर मेनी गुड फॉरेन प्लेयर्स लाइक याकूबू बरेटो दे आर ऑल गुड प्लेयर्स बहुत सारा प्लेयर है जो 5 दिन में भी वापस भेज दिया है सो आप कलर में नहीं जाना चाहिए एंड देयर आर गुड coaches good foreign coaches in India also not all there are good foreign coaches in India which we can learn from. So now what I say the India World Cup के लिए अगर आप जो क्वेश्चन वाज वर्ल्ड कप के लिए खेलने के लिए एशिया में हम लोग एशियन कप में पहला अच्छा करना चाहिए बिफोर वी टारगेट द वर्ल्ड कप एंड एशियन कॉन्टिनेंट में ओनली 4 क्वालिफाई आप जापान और ऑस्ट्रेलिया फॉल्स अंदर एशिया सऊदी अरेबिया नहीं तो कतार अब उसमें घुसना बहुत मुश्किल है इधर वी हैव टू हैव मोर कंट्रीज कमिंग अवेलेबल होना चाहिए उसके लिए वो कोटा में आई थिंक इन दैट 4 इट्स वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट बट बिफोर एनीथिंग थिंकिंग अबाउट एशिया कप और वर्ल्ड कप हम लोग को कोचिंग कोर्स करके वी हैव टू स्प्रेड आउट द कोर्स इन एवरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन ऑल ओवर इंडिया से फॉर मणिपुर में कोचेस अच्छा कोचेस कम है तो और बंगाल में आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी लाइसेंस कोचेस यू हैव not many in Bengal. If you want to see Bengal football to improve, you have licensed coaches in school. Up every school में if you have licensed coaches, if the kids are getting to learn the right football, अपने आप in 10 years we will play in better level. अगर आप जोजे मोरिनो को लाओ, पेप ग्वार्डियोला को लाओ, इंडिया का कोच होके, result will be the same. But result will only change when we have coaches, good coaches in school level. आपका स्कूल लेवल में तो देखो आप किसी का तो प्लेग्राउंड ही नहीं होता है आपका पीटी टीचर रहता है वो क्या भगवान जाने वो 40-50 राउंड हम लोग को जो भगाता था वही भगाएगा अभी भी
हम लोगों का टाइम में भी
so we need to change that अब हम लोग सिर्फ भागता था हम लोग कोच आता था ऑल ड्यू रेस्पेक्ट कोच आके अभी 40 राउंड भागो 30 राउंड भागो अभी हम लोग बोलता था कोच बहुत थक गया तो कोच सोचता है ये बहुत थक गया अच्छा प्रैक्टिस हुआ नो So coaching has changed a lot. So now we like coaches has to study player ka jaisa. If you want to be a good coach, like we have to study a lot and we have to have that experience, coaching experience by teaching the younger lot. Usme agar successful hoga, then slowly it should come up, and that's everywhere. And if you see Bielsa को देखो आप, अभी लीड्स यूनाइटेड का अभी जो क्वालिफाई हो गया प्रीमियरशिप में, पेप ग्वार्डियोला उसके पास सीखने गया है आफ्टर रिटायरिंग. पेप ग्वार्डियोला हु इज अ वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 कोच, अर्जेंटीना ट्रैवल किया है बियल्सा से फुटबॉल सीखने के लिए. जस्ट इमेजिन, एंड बियल्सा वाज टीचिंग इन अ यूनिवर्सिटी. So you imagine where the coaching has gone, So this is why all the young coaches have really hard.
Actually, the mindset of Indian society should change. The Indian society cannot take football as a profession. The upper middle class and upper class, I'm talking about that upper class society. So पढ़ने जाओ, मतलब खेलना कूदना ठीक है एक टाइम तक, उसके बाद करियर अगर आगे लेके जाना होगा तो स्टडी के ऊपर या और कुछ के ऊपर. अभी भी उतना मैच्योर नहीं हुआ है इंडियन सोसाइटी के, जो एक उसके मतलब लड़के को भेजे, लड़के और लड़की को भेजेगा इंडियन फुटबॉल में.
Okay. One second. Okay, I think my battery is going low. 1 second. I'll just push
Yeah, no problem.
My battery is going low, I think. Okay. Yeah, done. Yeah, can you see me? Okay.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
You can see.
You are saying that Indian middle class family still not wanting to send their kid to
yes,
play football, right? That's what.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but you see now in my playing. Oh God, I don't know what's happening with my battery. Okay, it's there. So in my playing days also, my father खुद फुटबॉल खेलता था. He played for the state level. He played in Rovers Cup and all. He couldn't get a chance in national team में chance नहीं मिला है, लेकिन वो मणिपुर के लेवल के लिए खेला है, state level, and he was the president for the Manipur Football Association also. लेकिन जब मैं 10 साल की उम्र में, when I joined Tata Football Academy at 11, मेरा फादर एवरी डे फुटबॉल खेलने के लिए स्कूल सिलेक्शन होने का पहले मेरे को मारता था कि क्यों फुटबॉल खेल रहे हो, In those days, I can understand in those days because after playing football, he couldn't earn much, मेरा बाप को. So then when he realized that when he got to know that his son wanted to play football, then उसको मालूम है कि you have to struggle a lot. So उसने मेरे को मारता था, फुटबॉल नहीं खेलेगा, you will become an army officer, you will get into an army school. Those were their mentality before. But now you see football has changed. अगर पहला मेरे को याद है मोहन बगान में 1996 में 75,000 में आया है per year की first year 75,000, and second year in East Bengal I still remember I got 4.5 lakhs or 10 lakh advance लेके आया था plastic में ऐसा करके. Those were the days. But now if you are a good player, players are earning more than 70 lakhs to a crore if you are a good player.
Yes, you're right.
So even my girlfriend, she is an IS officer. So what I want to say is that IS officer अगर आप मणिपुर में देखेगा, बंगाल में देखेगा, लाखों लाख यूपीएससी एग्जाम देता है. कितना पास होता है? 3, 4, 2, 1. मणिपुर से 2 पास होता है लाखों लाख देने के बाद. Where you play football, रेशियो उससे अच्छा है. आप 1000 में अगर 30-40 लड़का तो 30 लाख तो कमाता होगा.
Yes, right.
So you see where so risk काफी रिस्क है फुटबॉल खेलने में. No guarantee that you will become an India player, no. But you are not guaranteed that आप UPSC एग्जाम लिख को भी आप IS ऑफिसर, no. So that way you have to see that risk सब जगह में है, लेकिन फुटबॉल में थोड़ा कमती रिस्क है. Because now the young players जो मणिपुर से वर्ल्ड कप में खेला है, नोंगडम्बा who was in मोहन बगान, दो लोग को जो 8 प्लेयर जो इंडियन टीम में था वर्ल्ड कप टीम में, उस लोग का कोई जैसा अमरजीत का फादर के पास he didn't have 5,000 to travel by flight. वर्ल्ड कप 2 दिन आगे तक उसका माँ बाप को दिल्ली तक जाने का पैसा नहीं था. Now he is on 60-70 lakhs or whatever. So just imagine in 2 years time. But 60-70 lakhs, if you are a government officer, if you want to earn honestly, 60-70 lakhs is a lot. Yes, so if you can earn well for another 10 years, he can do a lot of things. So things are changing now. In those days, like I said, मेरा बाप भी मारता था, I can understand. But now, I'm really happy the young players like Sunil, who is a great example. What he's doing, he played with me for 8 years. मोहन बगान में बच्चा लड़का आता था. You know, now he's a great example to see what he has, the way he's earning, the way he's taking care of himself. You know, he's 35 and still, you know, going strong. So these are the example that young middle class family can also see that. That's how now there is we see that there is academy सब जगह में, Delhi में, Bombay में, there's a Baichung Bhutia Academy in Delhi, Bangalore, they have academy in Round Glass in Chandigarh, you know, and even Reliance in Mumbai. So there are many middle class families, kids that they also, you know, wanting to play, and the families allowing, and it should, because football will improve. Abhi now I see there is this Manchester United player today. I was reading in newspaper, the striker, the young striker, I forgot his name. He was on 25,000 green, some green. I forgot. I
Green.
forgot his name. Huh?
Mason
Greenwood.
Greenwood.
Striker of Manchester.
Mason Greenwood.
Huh? Greenwood. Yeah.
Mason Greenwood.
Greenwood was on. Greenwood was on 25,000 when he signed few months back. 25,000 pound. 25,000 pound is like 25 lakhs a week. Huh? 25 lakhs a week. Recent अभी आज का contract में yesterday he signed, I think it's 40,000. 40,000 is like 40 lakhs in a week, so almost 2 crore in a year, in a month.
Yeah.
Almost 2 crore in a month. So you know, football someday, you know, India कभी सोच सकता था कि इंडिया का पास भी प्लेयर लोग को 1 crore को ऊपर मिलेगा, you know, in our days 40 lakhs was the max, no. so things are changing now, and I think it will get better, but it's way more competitive now. अभी इंडिया के लिए 12 साल खेलना, या you know what we have played, I think it will be very tough because the competition is much more now, and there are lots more players.
या बट आपको नहीं लगता है कि आईएसएल में हर टीम एवरेज 20 गेम खेलता है, 20 गेम्स खेलता है, तो ये गेमिंग प्लेइंग टाइम थोड़ा बढ़ाना चाहिए, मतलब प्लेइंग टाइम इन द सेंस, और मैच बढ़ाना चाहिए.
It's very true. It's very true. All I'm hoping is that this 4 months league has to be longer. It's not good. It's not good for the players. It's not good for the fans. You know, it has to go, because अभी मैं चाहता है कि ये league 20 टीम का हो, relegation, promotion ho. If there is no relegation, if there is no promotion, अभी आई लीग जो खेलेगा उसका क्या होगा, उसका होप क्या रहेगा कि वो लोग अभी जो आईएसएल में जो टीम खेल रहा है उसका भी क्या प्रेशर रहेगा. अरे हम लोग तो हारने से भी तो हम लोग लीग में रहेगा, और दूसरा कहीं क्लब मिल जाएगा और कहीं वही क्लब में ज्वाइन कर लेंगे. So there is no pressure as such. So in future I think that's the plan for the associations also, to have
at least 16 plus team तो आना चाहिए.
20 team league, at least 40-50 match in a year, and it goes for 9 months, you know, or 8-9 months, and then where 2 months, 1 month rest, and then 2 months is a time where they can have a pre-season. So that's what I'm hoping for. And last time हम लोग जब attend किया था in Malaysia, the AFC का meeting किया था, and that's what the plan is. So in future I'm hoping, you know, that they will जितना जल्दी हो सके अच्छा है. आप लोग ने जैसा बोला 4 months is not good enough. अब 20 मैच खेल के क्या होगा, you know, so it has to be more.
And I have another question, that football is not popular in India like cricket. So what steps government should follow to popularize football in India?
See, now we can't just go to the government, right? Government cannot do everything. Like that's where we have to do a lot of community service. आप कितना community service करता है? How many players have become Navdeep Mariners? How many players have Mohun Bagan visited the Navdeep Mariners? You know, so this community service we have to do a lot. That's the duty for the club officials to think that have that good relation between the fans. अब fans को भी तो involve करना मांगता है. We have to involve the fans. We have to involve the community. Community को अगर strong बनाएगा तो अपने आप young लड़का लोग भी that supporter will come, that charcha will come. And if you see in Northeast, cricket is not number 1. Football is number 1 in Northeast.
Yes, right.
So Northeast,
even in Bengal,
we play cricket, but we don't play it that much. So football is a community. That even though our football is number 1, I have been asking the club people to engage with the supporters, to engage with the community. The more you do community service, the better the fans will, the more supporters it will be. So आप supporters के साथ नजदीक से काम नहीं करेगा, and I don't think any club, you know, will never have a fan base. You know, of course, इतना बड़ा मोहन बगान का fan base है, East Bengal का fan base है, but we have to work a lot more understanding. We have to have that good understanding between the fans. Fans लोग को भी involve कराना है. Otherwise, I don't know how many years you will support. You know.
Actually, many players are coming from Northeast in the last decade, even now also. So, what are the secrets behind that?
Secret behind is we like football is number one. Second, we cannot compare Manipur from the resources point of view. Manipur is not as rich as Bengal. It's not as rich as Maharashtra. It's not as rich as Punjab. पैसा यहाँ पे गरीबी ज़्यादा है यहाँ पे, you know, in Northeast if you see. But then when to come out from the poverty for the love of the game, बंगाल में भी लड़का लोग फुटबॉल को प्यार करता है, उसके लिए खेलता है. यहाँ पर भी फुटबॉल को प्यार करके उसके लिए खेलता है. लेकिन उससे भी ज़्यादा to come out from the poverty, वो लोग जो कंडीशन में है, अभी कोई लड़का के पास 20 रुपया नहीं है प्रैक्टिस में आने के लिए from my academy. 20 रुपया नहीं है तो अभी वो क्या खा के प्रैक्टिस करेगा, you know. So to come out from that, and they have seen that there are many players who are earning lakhs and lakhs, you know, by coming out from a humble background. You see many other players are doing that. So they see that example and they feel that, you know, हम पढ़ाई में तो उतना नहीं कर सकता जैसा हम खेलने में तो God gift है थोड़ा सा है. So why don't we train 3-4 years or 5 years and get something big and help the family. So to come out from the poverty is also, it's a big push. अब देखेगा all the Northeast players are very hardworking, you know, hardworking.
Yes, sir.
अभी talent बंगाल के पास कमती नहीं है. Very good talent Bengal has got, and very good talent Goa has got. अभी गोवा का player जो पहले ज़्यादा आता था अभी कमती हो गया if you see, because there is no fire in them. You have to have that fire inside that I will do something. That's Northeast has got, because Northeast थोड़ा गरीब सा Northeast, and especially in Manipur state wise थोड़ा लड़का लोग from a very humble background, from a difficult background, वहाँ से निकलने के अच्छा करने के लिए to support the family also, it's a big push. And I think that's the thing which is for burning in their, you know, in that burning fire in their eyes, and that burning fire to desire to do something great. I think that's why we see so many players. Manipur still produce the most number of players in India, and now I think it will be even more. It will be even more now, because you have to come out from that condition they are living in, you know.
अगर हम लोग कंपेयर करें नॉर्थ ईस्ट प्लेयर एंड रेस्ट ऑफ इंडियन प्लेयर, लाइक स्पीड और स्टेमिना का कंपैरिजन करें, तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट प्लेयर का हमेशा अच्छा होता है. मतलब इसका रीजन क्या है?
इसका रीजन maybe it's they work much more harder. Maybe you know, sometimes the fitness is inborn, the way they grew up, that the place where they are from. So I think that's the thing. But the most important thing is the talent is more important. That's why in my academy we you know, अब सिर्फ भागने से नहीं होगा. You have to be good with the ball, you know. That's why I have been forcing my players to touch the ball way more than, you know, सिर्फ भागाते रहे. Football is not athletic. Football is all about if you are good with the ball. अगर आप 40 yards perfect भेजना चाहता है, अगर आप दिमाग में रहेगा, अगर आप पैर में काम नहीं है, तो फुटबॉल इज डन. नहीं तो आप देखिएगा वर्ल्ड का फास्टेस्ट रनर, व्हाट्स हिज नेम, I forgot the name, fastest runner world, हाँ,
एम्बाप्पे,
वर्ल्ड का फास्टेस्ट, हाँ,
no Usain Bolt,
fastest athlete उसेन बोल्ट ने मैनचेस्टर में ट्रायल दिया है. मैनचेस्टर, आपको मालूम है, मैनचेस्टर में वो प्रैक्टिस किया है आने के लिए फुटबॉल में. इन स्कैंडिनेविया, स्वीडन में उसने प्रैक्टिस किया है. ही वेंट टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया. उसेन बोल्ट फास्टेस्ट रनर तो है, लेकिन फुटबॉल नहीं खेल सकता है. बट ही ट्राइड, यू नो, ही ट्राइड इन मेनी क्लब्स. तो फुटबॉल इज नॉट एथलेटिक फॉर मी. फुटबॉल इज हैव टू हैव टेक्निकल स्किल होना मांगता है, एंड टू हैव दैट टेक्निकल स्किल and to be comfortable with the ball, you have to kick thousand times and years of practice, you know. And that's why we young coaches have been asked to spend more time, you know, with the ball, you know, to organize the training session more with the ball, so that the kids can learn, you know. सिर्फ भागते रहने से नहीं होगा. So I think that's the thing, challenges that we are facing and we are working on.
हाँ देवज्योति दा।
Yeah. On this note, I have a question regarding the coaching staff, trainer, and the coaching other staff. So, coach used to do a set up plan, depends on their players and opponents' player game by game, right? But
Can't
there is a
hear.
big contribution of the training staff and yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
হ্যাঁ আরেকবার বলো, রিপিট করো একবার, কেটে আসছে একটু তোমার ভয়েসটা।
Yeah, actually there is a big contribution of the trainer staff and the coaching other staff. So coach used to set, can you hear me now?
হ্যাঁ বেটার কন্টিনিউ।
Yeah,
But I
coach
cannot
used to
hear
set.
anything.
Okay,
Yeah, actually, he can't hear you properly. Could you please write down
can
your
you hear,
questions so
can you
that
hear
we
now?
can?
Can you hear now?
What is that?
ইয়া বলো দেবজ্যোতি দা, আমি রিপিট করে দিচ্ছি, তুমি
Yeah.
কন্টিনিউ করো, আমি শুনতে পাচ্ছি, আমি রিপিট করে দিচ্ছি। আই উইল রিপিট ইট।
Okay. Actually there is a big contribution of that training staff, the fitness and other training. Okay, but coach used to set a plan for based on their team players and opponents player, and they used to practice on that. But in our India, I used to see that in every match after 60 or 70 minutes the player used to be big lazy. So is there any gap for the training staff or anything? Because coach, we have seen many more good coaches, but is there any gap for the training staff?
Randy, did you hear that question or should I repeat once again?
No, I can't hear anything.
Okay. He's saying that what about the players? Those are getting lazy after 60 or 70 minutes. Is this because of the lack of training or the coaching staffs or the physio? Those sort of thing he's trying to say basically.
Yeah, of course, the training they are doing is not good enough. आपको अगर 60 मिनट में अगर थक रहा है तो आई थिंक यू हैव टू डू अ लॉट मोर। अगर आपको ट्रेनिंग के साथ साथ में ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज लॉट ऑफ थिंग इन्वॉल्व, आपको भागते रहने से या करने से नहीं होगा। आई थिंक दैट्स द ड्यूटी फॉर द कोचेस टू सी क्या क्यों कम हो रहा है, क्या अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, टेक्निकली अच्छा हो रहा नहीं हो रहा, टेक्निकली अच्छा नहीं हो रहा, फिजिकली अच्छा नहीं हो रहा, मेंटलिटी अच्छा नहीं हो रहा। मेंटल, फिजिकल, टेक्निक एंड टैक्टिकल, यू नो दिस थ्री थिंग्स वी ऑल हैव टू सी। इसका अच्छा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, अगर अच्छा हो रहा है तो कैसा पॉलिश करके रखना चाहिए। एंड दिस आर द थिंग्स what I think we coaches have to see. So अगर आप 60 मिनट में अगर टायर्डनेस हो जा रहा है, of course yes, tiredness तो होता ही है, but then again to last 90 minutes we have to organize the training session in such a way that they can give 100% in every match, you know, till 90 minutes. So that's a duty for the coaches.
या हम लोग को इंडियन कोचेस तो मिला है, लेकिन ऑन दिस नोट हम लोग को फिजिकल ट्रेनर इंडियन नहीं मिला। वो तो सभी जो बाहर से आता है, अगर देखते हैं हम लोग इस साल भी मोहन बागान में जो थे बाहर से आए हैं कोच, भले इंडियन हो, संजय सेन जब 2015 में भी आई लीग दे रहा था तब फिजिकल ट्रेनर गार्सिया था। ये तो लैग हो रहा है कि जो हम लोग का इंडियन फिजिकल ट्रेनर मिल रहा है, क्योंकि इसका बहुत बड़ा पार्ट है। पूरा 90 मिनट प्लेयर कैसे दौड़ेगा, फिजिकली फिट रहेगा पूरा सीजन, और प्री सीजन में बहुत बड़ा पार्ट है मुझे लगता है।
I think see now अभी आपके पास कितना बजट है, that's important. See as a coach आपको सिखाया जाता है कि फिजिकल ट्रेनर लाने से आप चैंपियन नहीं हो जाएगा। You know, as a coach I should be able to understand this is what we need coaching course. कोच आप जब कोचिंग कोर्स करने समय आपको फिटनेस कोच भी आपको, अगर इफ यू डोंट हैव अ फिटनेस कोच देन इट्स माय ड्यूटी टू लुक आफ्टर दैट फिटनेस फॉर द प्लेयर्स, कोचेस का है। सो अगर मेरा पास 10 रुपये है, उसमें अगर फिजियो पे रखना है, डॉक्टर भी रखना है, अब ये फिजिकल कोच भी रखना है, एंड दैट्स नॉट सब डिमांड। अगर आपके पास पैसा नहीं है तो आई थिंक one coaches or the assistant coaches have to see everything. So now it doesn't mean that आपको फिजिकल ट्रेनर नहीं रहने से हट जाएगा। नो, दैट्स ड्यूटी फॉर द कोचेस। देन उसके पास ज़्यादा काम हो जाएगा, लेकिन कोचेस कैन लुक आफ्टर। आपको नहीं, जरूरी नहीं है कि फिजिकल को लाना के, you know, that's something आप कोच को ज़्यादा काम नहीं चाहता है उसके लिए. I feel, you know, if I'm a coach, if my owner is not ready to buy a physical instructor, it doesn't mean that my players will get tired in 90 minutes. That's my duty to take care of the physical side also.
Good point.
So आप
Good point.
इंडिया में यही प्रॉब्लम है, सोचता है कि हाँ आगे फिजिकल ट्रेनर या फॉरेनर को ला के ये अच्छा. नो 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 नो. आई थिंक दैट्स समथिंग सब हेड कोच सब देखना चाहिए. हेड कोच को सब देखना है फिजिकल या इंस्ट्रक्टर क्या है क्या नहीं दे रहा है. एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी कंट्रोल्ड बाय द मेन ट्रेनर. फिजिकल कोच इज जस्ट टू सी, यू नो. अगर आप बॉब आउटन आया फिजिकल ट्रेनर नहीं रहने से भी बॉब आउटन नहीं बोला कि द प्लेयर्स विल नॉट गेट टायर्ड. और इफ आई बिकम अ कोच, इफ आई हैव अ फिजिकल ट्रेनर, फाइन, बट he has to tell me everything, क्या कर रहा है क्या नहीं कर रहा है, and I have to know what physical trainer. उसको अकेला नहीं छोड़ सकता है. I have to get everything, all the information. So as a trainer, as a coach, when you are a licensed coach, when you are a pro licensed coach, when you are a licensed coach, that's where we study. आपके पास नहीं रहेगा तो आप कैसा चलना है, how you can make the team going. I think that's a duty for the head coach.
Yeah.
Rajda, ask about those national team free kick goals, free kick specialist.
Yes, you are right. That 2009
yeah.
Nehru Cup. So I
Yeah,
still remember that goal.
Yeah, but that's something which पहला क्या होता था कि इंडिया का एक दो मैच लाइव आता था. अभी now ISL में अभी every match live होता है. Just imagine when I was playing for मोहन बगान for 6 years, कितना फ्री किक मारा होगा. When I was playing for East Bengal for 6 years, कितना फ्री किक मारा होगा. लेकिन मैच लाइव साल में 2 तो लाइव मिलता था, you know.
तब हम लोग भी बहुत छोटे थे.
Yeah, but and so many free kicks we have done, but there is no live as such. But lucky है कि there was a live, there was match was showing live on G Sports and they captured it. So
Yes,
but
right.
those were the days. But now the player लोग के पास कितना अच्छा बोला, every moment is captured, no. अगर आप एक अच्छा मैच खेल लेता है तो you know रातों रात you are the star.
Get recognized.
Those
Yeah.
days there was only newspaper and then there is no TV, इतना follow नहीं था, you know. So and then social media now. So पहले को बहुत तकलीफ था, you know. पहले you have to play well every match. Now if you play one match, आप पूरा wow, you know, you are the star. So players have to stay humble, you know. But yeah, coming back to the goal, it was a very important goal, and yeah, it was a good goal in my life.
But after that, they could equalize the score, but we own that. Yeah.
And Subroto Pal, he saved the penalty, you know.
Yes. So that was one of the best goal I have seen in Indian jersey. So I still remember that goal. Yeah. So some of Bengal media says that you are the Beckham of Indian team that time. I still remember that some headlines in Bengali newspaper that Indian Beckham scores again. So
but
that
Bengal,
was
like I said, Bengal has given me everything. You know, I have got that you know, big respect for the Bengali people and what they have done for not only me, Northeast se jitna log aake, you know, even Baichung to come away all the way from Sikkim and Sunil from Delhi, you know, they have got so much of respect, you know, till now. Bengal, if they go to Bengal, and they still get respect when we go to watch the match. And that's the beauty for the Bengali people. And then, you know, they are so much connected with football. And not where, you know, if you go to Bombay, if you go to Delhi, it's not connection, you know. They do Real Madrid, they do Barcelona, they do Arsenal. Magar Bengal mein more than that, it's more about Indian football, you know. That's what I like about Bengal, you know.
Yes.
Apnapan, you know, that's the thing. Bombay mein jaoga, they are supported or Arsenal, but they don't know anyone in India ko kon player hai, janta nahi, you know.
Yeah.
So
actually we followed both.
Respect, yeah.
Actually we followed both leagues. Even we followed that Champions League, Premier League also.
Yeah, no, I know, but you follow the Calcutta football, you follow the Indian football also, and I think that's very important. More than following Apna, that's why we have to do community, you know. The community work is so important to get, you know, that relation between the players, the official, and the fans, you know. There is a good relation so that they support, you know, in with the greater heights, you know.
Yeah, we follow Peerless Customs match in Kolkata League, and we also follow UCL.
It's important. It's important.
That's the thing.
It's important. There are many Bengali players in Peerless, you know, and that's why we have to support the local. अगर आप यूरोप में जाता है, अभी जैसा हम लोग पोर्चुगल में बार्सिलोना में वी वर ट्रेनिंग when Bob Houghton was there, we were training in Sporting Lisbon for 2 months in Lisbon. अगर आप वहाँ पे छोटा छोटा गांव में छोटा छोटा टीम रहता है 3rd डिवीजन 4th डिवीजन में, पूरा गांव उठ के आ जाता है, पूरा गांव उठ के आ जाता है। दिल्ली में मैच होता है, कितना आदमी देखने आता है दिल्ली में?
यही
Yes,
प्रॉब्लम
right.
दिल्ली
है
में यू गो
इंडिया
टू द
में।
बार, दिल्ली में मैच होता है, इंडिया का बड़ा बड़ा प्लेयर खेल रहा है और बाहर का भी बड़ा बड़ा प्लेयर खेल रहा है, लेकिन कितना मैच देखने के लिए आता है? बट यू गो टू द
10,000
बार दिल्ली में,
हाँ।
there will be 5-6 thousand बार में, you know, there will be supporting Real Madrid or Chelsea or whatever, Man United. But then that's why we lose out on that. It's the same in Singapore also. सिंगापुर में अगर अपना लोकल लीग को सपोर्ट नहीं करता, द लोकल लीग को सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा तो कभी आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा, यू नो।
Yes, एकदम एकदम
लोकल फर्स्ट।
आपने एकदम पॉइंट टू पॉइंट बात किया है इस बारे में. So somehow you
Yeah.
feel bad, right? That some of the states are not following football properly. They didn't
No.
support.
They think that, yeah, they don't love that. Of course, you fans का ठीक है, Arsenal से, you know, it's all आप जब it's very what do you call that? It's only not because वो लोग का high class ये हो, but football. If you really love football, you have to support the local football, you know, and that's
Yes,
how
right.
we grow up as together, you know. That's very important.
So
Yeah.
there is a suggestion. So there is a suggestion from me that so next onward, every match should schedule on in Kolkata only. Then it will be big support from us.
Yeah. Calcutta always been, you know, and but now if I have to say in ISL in Kerala also, I was there in Kerala, 70,000 every match also. Kerala also, you see Goa play also 25-30,000 capacity, and it's full, you know. So
Even in
Goa,
Northeast
Kerala,
also.
yeah, in Northeast also, but
Yes,
but
yes,
Assam,
yes.
but Assam for me is not up to Northeast. Assam,
Yes,
they
right.
लेकिन
No.
if
I'm
you go
talking
to
about.
Manipur, you will get.
I'm talking about Neroka,
Supporters.
Aizawl also.
Yeah. So you see the supporters, they will come in numbers, you know. But Assam is more of a cricketing belt, you know. But of
Yes,
course,
right.
Assam is in Northeast. But I think वहाँ पर cricket ज़्यादा होता है. So Mizoram, Meghalaya, or Manipur, you will see the supporters, you know. So when Mohun Bagan come and East Bengal come here to play, people come out in numbers, you know. They love.
But even in Shillong Lajong also, that was a very big team, but somehow they relegated last year. But we miss that team because they have lots of
I
crowd.
think because without any foreigner they were playing, you know. I can see they were struggling with the money, but 1 year they played without any foreigner. But that was a good experience for the younger lot. But somehow but in future we will be able to see more, I think, in future.
Yeah, even that time, some years ago, Rangdaji United was a big team. Yes.
Rangdaji is Eugensen's team.
Yes. So, what do you think that what is the future of this team from Northeast?
Future.
So, I'm talking about that Mohun Bagan already went to ISL. Okay. After this year or next year, East Bengal will join ISL. So, what will be the future? What will be the competition in I League for?
That is something AIFF have to be organized. It's no problem going. Mohun Bagan is already up there in ISL. East Bengal next year they will follow. But that's why it's very important to have a relegation and promotion. So
Yes,
now
right.
a team like Neroka, right now they are in I League, no problem. Let them be in I League. But if they come number one, if they become champions, they should qualify. Then that's the hope, no? So ISL should be the main league. I League will be the first division and second division and so on. So I League के पास जो खेल रहा है वो लोग को भी तो होप होना पड़ता है कि हाँ अगर मैं हम
next level में खेलें,
क्वालिफाई होगा ISL के लिए. Otherwise, why the I League players will work so hard to become a champion? क्या मिल रहा है वो लोग को?
Yeah, actually मोहन बागान इस साल I League चैंपियन हुआ है. डायरेक्ट एंट्री मिलना चाहिए था. ऐसा होता तो मतलब सिस्टम ऐसा होता तो.
That's how it should be, you know, and that's what the plan is, you know, in future.
Yes.
Maybe not in 2 years, maybe not in 1 year, but 3-4 years down the line, I think they will have that, and that has to have 20 league, long league, and then promotion and relegation, where these clubs from the small states are also, you know, they can
Clubs
hope
get
to be a
motivation.
champion and come back. Huh?
Clubs gets motivation that we are going to play in ISL if we be champion, or we have to be there, avoid relegation.
Club get motivation, otherwise
Those, those sort of thing is not there right now.
yeah.
One
Yeah,
thing, Renedy,
yeah.
yeah,
Continue, Shantanu. Yeah.
okay,
No.
okay. One thing, Renedy, that what about the thing about Baichung and Sunil? We all, as a fan, you have seen both. You are also at that time. We saw that there are many. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
या मैंने ये बोल रहा था कि आप लोगों का टाइम जब हम लोग फुटबॉल देखने शुरू किया था, लॉट्स ऑफ स्टार्स इन इंडियन टीम, मोइस गावली, रेनेडी सिंह, all those, Baichung Bhutia, and right now it seems like there is only one Sunil Chetri. These have changed because of the football on field, tactical football have changed. It's lots of team football rather than target based football, because of this or something else.
Actually, now we can, of course, yes, Sunil is doing by far the best, but then we have got good player. I think Gurpreet is doing well. I think Sandesh is doing well. We have got this Sahal, who is a very good technically sound player. We have got Thapa, who is, but yes, Sunil has been the number one, the best example. But Sunil का replacement नहीं आया है. That's
या
there.
वही मैं बोलना चाह
सुनील
रहा
का
था.
रिप्लेसमेंट सुनील का रिप्लेसमेंट कैसा आएगा अगर आपका कोर जो है फॉरेनर स्ट्राइकर इज ऑलवेज ऑक्युपाइड बाय द फॉरेनर्स. सो नया सुनील कहाँ से आएगा फिर? सो इट्स दैट्स व्हाई आप लोग को 5 फॉरेनर खिलाने से इंडियन प्लेयर का जगह मार खा जाता है. and so it's very important to have only 3 foreigners where we will get lot more Indians to play. अगर प्लेटफॉर्म ही नहीं मिलेगा तो अभी कैसा सुनील जैसा प्लेयर आगे बढ़ेगा? But I'm happy that's the way Sandesh Jingan has been doing. I'm happy Gurpreet, the way he has been training. I want Sahal, you know, to play way better. He has got that talent. And a player like Thapa, you know, these are few players, but we want, like you said, we want more players like Sunil. पहला क्या होता था, Abiju Bhai है, Ansari, there were many players. There were Deepak Mandal, there were Mahesh Gowli, you know, there were Steven Dice, you know, at the younger जब लोग आया. So there were many players in those days, you know, but now you don't see many, you know, but there are few players like in ATK में भी है. ATK में लड़का लोग काफी अच्छा कर रहा है, बंगाली लड़का लोग, you know. So but they
That's
have to
Praveen
play.
Das.
I want them to play in Indian level में वो लोग top खेलने के लिए, you know, not only in ATK but I want them to lead जैसा सुनील जैसा कर रहा है. I want them to be the flag bearer, the main guy, you know, in Bengali players also in Indian team also, not only in ATK. But I think in future, if we keep working, you know, if we have many coaches working hard, we will be able to see a better player. And for that, we have to create a platform मिलना चाहिए लड़का लोग को, young Indian लड़का लोग को.
एक क्वेश्चन ये आपने बताया कि स्ट्राइकर का जो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ फॉरेन प्लेयर्स, इस नोट में एक बात हुआ था काफी, दिस टाइम आई होप यू हैव फॉलोड, आईएफए इज लुकिंग टू सेट अप एन स्ट्राइकर एकेडमी, and after the announcement Baichung was discussing the thing about that there is, it cannot be possible only for strikers academy. What's your take? I personally think it is no, I am okay with Baichung. What the point Baichung is saying, I follow all those things.
Yeah,
I am okay with Baichung.
मैं पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ ये स्ट्राइकर का एकेडमी खुलेगा. लेकिन स्ट्राइकर का एकेडमी खुलने के बाद उसको चांस नहीं मिलेगा तो कैसा स्ट्राइकर बनेगा फिर? यू कैन ट्रेन ऑल द ईयर बट आपको प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिलेगा मैच खेलने के लिए. आप 11 स्ट्राइकर तो खेल नहीं सकता है.
वही पॉइंट है.
एंड इन दिस डेज इन करंट फुटबॉल, इफ यू वॉच मैन सिटी प्ले, आपके पास कौन स्ट्राइकर है मैन सिटी का? आपको याद में अगुएरो है. अगुएरो कहाँ रखे कहाँ घूमता है. उसके बाद फिर स्टर्लिंग कहाँ से घुस के स्ट्राइकर बन जाता है. पहला जैसा हम लोग जैसा लेफ्ट साइड, लेफ्ट विंग तो लेफ्ट विंग, स्ट्राइकर तो स्ट्राइकर, विंगर टू विंगर. अभी जो 500 है वो घूमते रहता है. कौन स्ट्राइकर है कौन क्या है पता नहीं चलता है. इन दिस डेज नाउ दैट्स द करंट फुटबॉल. आपको जो स्ट्राइकर भी डिफेंडिंग करना पड़ेगा, स्ट्राइकर को आगे भी जाना पड़ेगा. इट्स नॉट पहला जैसा नहीं है. सो So now, yes, in many big clubs, striker का coach रखता है, midfielder का coach रखता है, और defender का coach रखता है, because they have a lot of money. That's important. But striker का सिर्फ academy, तो 11 striker खेलने से तो टीम तो 7-10 गोल खा जाएगा फिर. So it's good to have an academy and create a platform where Indian player will get more chance. तो अपने आप striker develop होगा.
एक्चुअली एकेडमी तो रहेगा ही, बट अगर आपको चांस ही नहीं मिला एज ए स्ट्राइकर तो मतलब डेवलपमेंट का चांस तो उधर ही खत्म हो
उसके लिए आपको लीग जरूरी है. जैसा अभी मणिपुर में आप अगर देखेगा तो मणिपुर में 5 महीना का लीग होता है, अंडर 13, अंडर 15, अंडर 17. हम लोग को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है अभी, हम लोग का मिनिस्टर है एंड देन क्लासिक ग्रुप ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, और हम लोग एवरी सैटरडे संडे मैच खेलता है. दिस इज अ प्रॉपर लीग गोइंग ऑन फॉर 5 मंथ्स. तो अंडर 13 को अभी से अंडर 13 को, जैसा हम लोग आई लीग होता है ना इन इंडिया, वो 1 महीना में खत्म हो जाता है 4 मैच खेलकर. दैट्स नॉट इनफ. सो एवरी वीकेंड आप लोग को कंपल्सरी मैच मिलना चाहिए, प्रेशर मैच मिलना चाहिए. So that's what we are doing. I mean, under 13, 15, and 17, every Saturday, we play a league match. So, and that's how you will see a lot from that 12-15 टीम से हम लोग को बहुत सारा young player every week अगर खेलने से अपने आप निकलेगा जरूरी. And that is important in Bengal also. Bengal में आपका कहाँ लीग चलता है अभी बच्चा लोग का? कहाँ लीग चल रहा है आपको बच्चा लोग? तो बच्चा लोग अभी अंडर 13, आप डायरेक्टली अंडर 18 में तो आके बड़ा प्लेयर नहीं हो जाता. तो अंडर 13 में अगर लीग चलेगा, अंडर 15 में लीग चलेगा, अंडर 18 में लीग चलेगा 505 महीना का, तो अभी कैसा आपको डेवलप नहीं होगा बताइए. अभी दिल्ली में कहाँ लीग चल रहा है, अभी बॉम्बे में अंडर 15 में कहाँ लीग चल रहा है. लीग चलना मतलब नहीं कि एक टूर्नामेंट. यहाँ पर क्या होता है, लीग बोल देता है, टूर्नामेंट जैसा खेलता है 15 दिन में खत्म हो जाता है. तो अभी आपका 10-11 महीना कहाँ जाके खेलेगा बच्चा लोग. सो एटलीस्ट 5 महीना भी यहाँ पर वो कम है, वो 8-9 महीना खेलना चाहिए एवरी सैटरडे लीग. तब देखो आप आगे जाके क्या करता है. सो हम यहाँ पर सोचते हैं 18 पहला एकेडमी में रहेंगे, साल में 10 मैच खेलेगा और हम मोहन बगान ईस्ट बंगाल में जाएगा. एंड दैट्स नॉट इनफ. You have to play a proper league match every single weekend, and that's the duty for the IFA, that's the duty for Manipur Football Association, that's the duty for Goa Football Association, Kerala Football Association, or the district.
Yeah. But when you used to play for clubs and India, so that time only TFA was there, one big academy TFA was there, but now there are lots of academy. But so somehow you think that football is developing in India?
Yes, football, of course, the more academies the better. लेकिन academies में जो coaches है, they don't have to be the big name coach, but are they qualified enough to be a good coach? That's very important. जो academy में सिखा रहा है, are they good enough to be a good coach? Are they qualified enough? वो देखना चाहिए. अगर वो जितना academy बढ़ेगा उतना ही अच्छा है. जितना coach वो studying, अगर course अच्छा उसका coaching course करने के बाद अगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कोचिंग करेगा, that's a development for me.
So आपके जो एकेडमी, मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपका जो एकेडमी है ना, वो एक बार शेयर कर सकते हो आपके हम लोग के साथ. आप मतलब कैसे काम होता है उधर
एकेडमी. जो हम 2 साल खेलने के बाद, हम 2 साल कोच होने के बाद, असिस्टेंट कोच होने का पुणे सिटी के बाद, आई हैव रियलाइज्ड दैट असिस्टेंट होना जरूरी है खेलने के बाद. हम 19 years आफ्टर प्लेइंग फॉर 19 years I have become assistant coach for 2 years. Then I realized ये assistant coach में जिंदगी भर assistant coach नहीं रहना चाहता हूँ मैं. So I want to start on my own. I want to start with my own philosophy. I want to start with my own game style. तो अगर मैं assistant coach रहने से वो कभी नहीं कर सकेगा. जो 2 साल सीखना जरूरी था, मैं सीखा with lad हवास से. Then I got back to Manipur. मेरे को मालूम है मणिपुर में सबसे ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस करता है, सबसे ज्यादा टैलेंट यहाँ पर है. तो मैंने सोचा if I have opened an academy, तो यहाँ पर मैं जितना 19 years का प्लेइंग एक्सपीरियंस, 2 year का वर्किंग अंडर द बेस्ट कोचेस एक्सपीरियंस एंड मेरा अपना एक्सपीरियंस अगर ये लोग के साथ शेयर करेगा तो आई कैन हैव द बेस्ट यूथ एकेडमी इन इंडिया. सो 2 साल हो गया है मैं while doing a commentary for Star Sports and Football Experts for Star Sports. I was flying in and out, and then I have running my academy. ये मेरा academy 1.5 year होने के बाद क्लासिक का जो नेरोका का जो स्पॉन्सर था क्लासिक ग्रुप फॉर 4 years, वो हम लोग टाई अप किया है. नाउ फ्रॉम रेनिडी फुटबॉल स्कूल इट हैज बिकम क्लासिक फुटबॉल एकेडमी, and Classic is taking care of the finance. Classic is group is taking care, and the technical side with my 10 coaches में जो ललित थापा जो इंडिया चर्चिल के लिए खेल रहा था, चित्रा was in Indian team and Churchill, so those and Janet, so 10 coaches है ex players and they all are doing coaching course, you know, अपना coaching को they all hold a D license, ASC license and B license. तो वो लोग सबके साथ में 10 coaches है, तो उसके साथ I have 450 kids. 450 kids, 4 different centers in Manipur. 4 different centers से मैंने क्या किया, I have never hold a trial. वो लोग पहला 450 स्कूल में सीखने के लिए आए, वहाँ से after 1.5 years I have chosen the 30 under 13 players, 30 under 15 players and 30 under 17 players. जो 90 players, elite players हम लोग ने चुना है, and we have been training every single day, and those are the players who are playing the youth league in Manipur, you know, every weekend. And in future, I'm telling you, in future, if we keep working hard, in 2 years or 3 years, we will be able to see the best players coming out from here again, and we will be able to see ready. We will be able to ready to compete with the best of academies, and even with some clubs also will be ready to compete. Because 2 साल हो गया और 3 साल अगर करेगा, 5 साल में our players will be ready, and there will be a big force coming, because अभी जो 12 साल 13 साल है वो 3-4 साल 15 16 17 हो जाएगा, and there will be a big support from there also. So we are working hard, you know, so to really, because अगर हम लोग बड़ा टीम में अगर जाता है, अभी मोहन बगान में ईस्ट बंगाल में कोच होता है, तो there are many players इंडिया में अब जैसा हम लोग अभी मोहन बगान जैसा खेल रहा था इसका अंदर में, they have played good football, right?
Kibu Fikuna, Kibu Fikuna, yes.
Yeah. So पहला जैसा हम लोग बूम बूम मार के तो शुरू नहीं करता है, वो पीछे से शुरू करता है, starting from the back से open up करके जाता है. It's such a good beautiful football. वो beautiful football खेलने के लिए आपको टेक्निक क्वालिटी प्लेयर चाहिए. आपका फर्स्ट गोलकीपर हाथ से सिर्फ नहीं पैर से मारने वाला चाहिए. अगर गोलकीपर अगर पैर से ठीक नहीं होगा तो you cannot play that kind of football. So वो फुटबॉल खेलने के लिए अगर आपसे वो फॉरेनर निकाल देगा तो तकलीफ होगा आप लोग को फिर, you know, those are technically sound player निकाल देगा तो नहीं होगा. तो so gone are those days where goalkeeper सिर्फ हाथ से पकड़ेगा, पैर से नहीं करेगा, स्टॉपर आके बैक किक मारेगा, वो नहीं है. So now all the best team in the world, Manchester City देखो, Liverpool देखो, those 2 keepers are world best keeper, and see where they are. English Premier League का 1-2.
Alisson and Ederson.
So you can.
Yes. Both are from Brazil.
Brazil का 1-2. Brazil का 1-2. So those are the, you know, वो करने के लिए हमको under 13-15 से चालू करना पड़ेगा to play that style of game. अगर आएगा मोहन बगान ईस्ट बंगाल में, अगर मैं suddenly हम वैसा खेलना शुरू करेगा, अगर प्लेयर रेडी नहीं होगा तो हम 4-5 गोल खाएगा वो फुटबॉल खेलने से. तो so that's why it's very important to work with the youth, and youth लोग जब रेडी होगा, वो लोग 17 18 19 they will be ready to play any style of game, you know. That's why it's very important, and that's a good learning lesson for me also.
Even we faced that same problem when we played against Churchill Brothers. That match we lost 5-2. So after that we came up from that, but yeah, somehow Kibu Fikuna taking risk that time for playing. But after some matches we saw that how was the result.
That's why it's very important. It's very important for the Indian players to have a technique, proper technique. Indian players तो अभी देखेगा वो लोग का body woody, you know, the Indian players all working in the gym. They can run 13 kilometers. But आप लोग मैच देखता होगा, आप लोग का बांग्लादेश के साथ क्यों तकलीफ हुआ इंडिया?
Yes, एकदम बांग्लादेश के साथ तकलीफ हुआ. Yes, even
हमने बोला था मैं मैच देखने के लिए आया बांग्लादेश के साथ. After playing draw with Qatar, one of the best team. Qatar ने जापान को हराया है, कोरिया को हराया है, और वैसा टीम से इंडिया ने ड्रॉ किया है इधर में कतार में जाकर. That was the best match by far. Defensively. तो I repeat again, defensively. लेकिन मैंने बोला, to some journalists I was speaking, I said Qatar was the best match we have played defensively, but Bangladesh will be a much tougher match. क्योंकि Bangladesh will do exactly the same what India did to Qatar. Bangladesh में पूरा 10 प्लेयर बैठ गया बॉक्स के सामने, इंडिया ने ब्रेक ही नहीं कर सका. क्यों ब्रेक नहीं कर सका? बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव टेक्निकली गिफ्टेड प्लेयर टू ब्रेक डाउन. डिफेंस करके काउंटर में जाना इजी है, लेकिन जब आदमी 10 प्लेयर डिफेंस करता है और उसको तोड़ने के लिए यू नीड टेक्निकल इंडिविजुअल ब्रिलियंस, गुड टेक्निकल प्लेयर चाहिए, एंड वी डोंट हैव वन और टू. सो दैट्स नॉट इनफ. उसके लिए हम लोग हार जाता था वो मैच, अगर इफ यू सी द मैच. लेकिन हम लोग उस समय ड्रॉ किया, बच गया है, लेकिन वी डिडंट प्ले अ गुड मैच. So I don't blame the players though. Players, we are ready. We are ready to play defense, and then go on counter attack to get a result, maybe draw. But we are not ready to play that style of game where we can break down when the other team is defending. Uske liye we have to work with the younger lot to work on technique, and then we can start someday.
Yeah, actually we have some good winger like Udanta Singh, Nongdamba Naudem, Asik Purian, but we don't have some center midfielder or center defensive midfielder.
Brother, but winger you just name, but how many assists they do?
Yeah,
in
very few.
Bengaluru. Huh?
Mhm.
You have to see. You said good winger. Good winger has to score a goal. Good winger has to assist. तो आपने जो नाम लिया है उसने कितना असिस्ट किया है गोल?
Yeah, actually Nongdamba Naudem assist almost 4 to 5 assists and scored also 5 to 6 goals.
It has
But
to be more. Then
yes,
Udanta has to assist. No, how many assists they have? So you have to see that.
Actually, he scored only 1 goal last year.
Yeah, and assist.
I don't know.
So you, yeah. So you have to see. So this is what when you have because in India we don't have, and Kuruniwan also he 1 goal only and 1 assist, or 0 goal and 1 assist. See that's why अगर हम लोग भी winger खेला है, then you see the assist. अगर if we don't score also we have to see the assist, how many goal the winger are assisting, and that's very important, very very important. So अभी हम लोग को younger load में concentrate करना है, and that's the only way.
And even that Sahal didn't get enough playing time last year. He should.
Yeah, but he has got talent. Just that he needs match experience. He needs to play more match. So he needs to join somewhere. He will get more chances. He'll get more play time. Then he will improve. But he has got talent. But he needs more game time.
But somehow I feel that when you used to play for India, that time that midfield was more compact than now. That time Climax, Lawrence, Clifford, Miranda, you and Steven Das also. Steven Das played for India. So that midfield was very compact if you compare to current midfield.
But we played for a long time, no? We played under Bob Houghton, who for me is the best coach ever. Bob Houghton,
yes,
we played under Bob Houghton for 6 years. We stayed together for 5-6 years together, and we gel well. Baichung, Sunil, Mahesh Gowli, Deepak, so all those.
Surkumar Singh
also. Surkumar Singh on the right. Yeah.
Yes, that time where one of the means we get success means that time we won 2 Nehru Cup, 1 AFC Challenge Cup, and even we played that Asian Cup 2011. So one of the best time.
Those were the best time, yeah. And
yes.
Thanks to Bob for that, for bringing everyone together and letting us gel so well, So those were the days.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Shantanu, do you have any other questions?
No, not really. Renedy himself has covered all the
I
things.
live in a village. मैं यहाँ पर I live in a village. 10 बजे तो सब सो गया हो.
And northeast काफी अच्छा है. मतलब मैं अगस्त में गया था.
Tonight there is a big game. Tonight there is a big game. 10:30. Manchester United playing.
West Ham. Yep, West Ham.
West Ham
and Chelsea, Liverpool.
I like Chelsea because they are playing with the academy players mostly.
Yeah, I am a Chelsea supporter.
James, Yeah.
Apart
so
from
they are playing at 1:45. So I have to see that against Liverpool. We beat Man United. I like Man United 3-1 recently. Today.
I support Arsenal. So in FA Cup, they are in London Derby.
Yeah, good development side. You lost yesterday, no?
Yeah, but but few days
That is
ago
the
we beat Man City.
yeah, lacking
Yeah. We did that.
consistency. I think Arsenal
Yeah,
is
actually
defeating
they
teams
have
like
to
Liverpool.
sign some defenders because Mustafi and David Luiz is not in good shape right
For
now.
Arsenal, it will take time. It will take time for Arsenal.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even in 5 years ago, that Liverpool faced that same issues, but they signed their coach
But
means Godfather.
Raj, honestly, Arsenal has been facing the same problem after Thierry Henry went. So for last 10 years, you are facing
Yeah,
the same problem.
that is the
Yeah.
problem.
So 10 years. So Arsenal has to do something good, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Anyway,
after
brother.
Chelsea got Lampard as coach, he is giving opportunities to the academy lads. That's a big thing for
Yes, and
their
they
players.
cannot sign any. They couldn't sign any players, but this year they are signing Kai. They have
yeah.
signed
They
Kai
signed
from Bayern
two very
Leverkusen.
big players,
Kai is
Timo
also
Werner
Kai is
and
also coming.
Timo Werner
GH.
from Leipzig, and Hakim Ziyech,
Ziyech.
Hakim Ziyech from
Ajax.
Holland. So
Yeah.
from Holland Ajax. So they are signing, and they are signing Declan Rice, I think, from West Ham. So,
Even they are trying to sign
now
that
the big signings coming.
midfielder from Bayern Leverkusen.
Kai
Kai
Havertz.
Kai
yeah,
Havertz. Yes,
Kai.
yes.
Yeah,
So
He will be a big money signing. Kai Havertz. Lots of
Yeah.
Barcelona, Real Madrid clubs are getting after him.
I just read a news. Yeah.
नेक्स्ट ईयर पीएल देखने में बहुत मजा आएगा क्योंकि सब अच्छा टीम कर रहा है अभी न्यूकैसल भी बहुत बड़ा टीम हो करेगा मतलब साइन तो होगा
As Renati mentioned, Bielsa. I am a big fan of Bielsa. How he led Leeds is amazing. Their story is amazing.
Amazing. You can watch on YouTube. That's a very good story. You know, for last 2 years they have been trying to get promoted. Last year they couldn't. But what a story on YouTube. There is a lovely story where the owner he's Italian, and how he bought the club 50% first, and then full 100% after that, and how they run the club. It's really nice to see. Yeah. For I think Mohun Bagan, East Bengal, they need to watch that. It's lovely.
Actually,
Program
those are
on
inspiring
YouTube.
stories.
Inspiring story.
So,
How they run,
yeah,
not only the game side, but how they run, the supporters and stuff.
So, Reddy, who is your favorite footballer?
Who is my favorite? I don't have favorite footballer as such, but there is in our time there are many, you know. But I like George Best. I like George Best, even though he was an alcoholic, but I think top player, no? George Best. Yeah. I like Franco Baresi. I like Roberto Baggio in those days. You know, it's all every stages, you know, and after that David Beckham was doing really, really well. After
And
that,
in
Ronaldo
recent time?
came, Messi, you know. Huh?
In recent time?
Recent time right now, I like the young players a lot. And I like the Foden from Man City.
Phil Foden.
Who had played in
We saw
Calcutta.
him, in the final.
The Calcutta people have watched Foden, what he can play, you know.
Yes,
Now, yesterday also he have scored. The way the Silva is going out, but the way he has been filling up the gap, it's been lovely.
Technically,
Chelsea, the young player,
hugely talented.
Mason Mount,
Phil Foden.
Pulisic, Mason Mount, and if you go to Liverpool, the right back,
Trent Alexander-Arnold.
Trent and Robertson.
Robertson.
Young players, yeah, top class. So and even Mason Mount and Pulisic, wow. So there are many young good players. So in Hakim Ziyech for me, Chelsea को first half में 3-4 लगा दिया था, मार दिया था उसने Hakim Ziyech ने the game Ajax, you know. So such a
Hakim Ziyech is a good buy for Chelsea because they get Hakim Ziyech for 50 million. It's a very good deal.
Very good buy, and I hope he can create something great in because when you change the club sometimes, because आप लोग Hakim Ziyech लोग का team अगर देखेगा last 2 years back, how they have played as a team, no? Once you come out from the small club and go in different clubs, it's very difficult to do the same. अगर देखो अब वो लोग का stopper भी he's struggling in Juventus in Ronaldo's team, no? The guy from Holland, defender. So
delete.
So what do you think? Who will win the Champions League this year?
it's very difficult. it's very difficult.
Because
I don't know. It's maybe
Man City.
let's see. But you cannot miss out on Atletico Madrid.
Yeah,
I
but
think
yeah,
Atletico Madrid coach is a very good coach. सबने बोला था कि Liverpool, but the Atletico Diego Simeone has got
Tactically,
great
yeah.
sense. You see the history. That guy don't play beautiful football, but
yeah,
vision,
right.
Effective
number
football.
one.
Exactly, Habas followed the
Football,
same philosophy.
yeah. So in football, I was Habas assistant for a year, no. So I know Habas mentality, you know. He will defend. He will keep compact and go on counter attack and hit. That's what he did against Chennai. Right?
Yes.
So that's how it is. Yes.
So one rapid fire round. Can I get one rapid fire round?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi or Ronaldo.
Yes.
Both are very good players. Both are world class players. Messi is from other planet. Ronaldo is the most hardworking player. Ronaldo is human. Messi is not. Messi you cannot compare because Messi is an inborn gift, talent,
Important.
and
Yes.
Ronaldo is a hardworking. Ronaldo is
And
hardworking. They both are great individuals, but Messi, there will be no second Messi. There will be a second Ronaldo someday very soon, for sure, because if you keep working hard like that. But Messi, even if you work hard, you will not be Messi because वो पैर से नहीं खेलता, वो हाथ से खेलता है. So
that's the raw talent here. And Real Madrid or Barcelona?
Real Madrid or Barcelona, but I'm not a supporter. but दोनों का supporter नहीं है. लेकिन I would go for Barcelona.
Manchester United or Liverpool?
Manchester
United and Liverpool.
Manchester United.
Yes.
Liverpool.
Okay.
Manchester United or Liverpool?
Yes.
Okay. No, but but if I have to choose right now, one Liverpool. But I don't support any.
And one
But
tough
Manchester
question.
United have started playing well, though. They have started playing well. Bruno has been doing really
Yes,
well.
Bruno is a good signing.
अगर ब्रूनो को निकाल देगा, पोग्बा को निकाल देगा, तो मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड फिर आ जाएगा लाइन में, you know.
Yes, right. उनका अभी ब्रूनो के साइन होने के बाद ही उनका टीम मतलब एक शेप में आ गया है. ब्रूनो इज अ गुड साइनिंग. ब्रूनो इज अ वेरी गुड प्लेयर. So you see that पोर्तुगल का जो टीम मतलब यूरो कप खेलेगा 2021 में, वो काफी अच्छा टीम है.
Because they have got very good academy, you know. If you see the Sporting Lisbon academy where Ronaldo come out, because हम लोग 2 महीना के लिए इंडियन टीम उधर में ट्रेनिंग कर रहा था. You see the training facilities, 10 तो या 12 तो ग्राउंड है, रहने का इतना अच्छा है, and then the coaches there, it's great, you know. अगर वैसा अगर करेगा तो you know we will get much better. अभी आप मोहन बगान ईस्ट बंगाल के पास आपका एकेडमी कहाँ है, you know. आपको मोहन बगान ईस्ट बंगाल का जूनियर प्लेयर आप मैच के पहले गिन के लाता है, एक इधर से ला के खिला देता है, जाओ. But आप you know East Bengal has got academy, I understand, but everyone has to have a proper under 7, 8,
proper
10,
structured
13, 14, 15 proper structure. आप सिर्फ आप लोग मोहन बगान क्लब का you know मेन टीम का करते रहते, मेन टीम आप लोग खरीद के ऐसा, but then you don't have a push from under 7, 8, 9, 10 आप लोग के पास है ही नहीं. वो जब तक नहीं रहेगा कभी सक्सेसफुल you know सक्सेसफुल होगा, लेकिन कंटिन्यूअस सक्सेसफुल नहीं रह सकेगा वो जब नहीं रहेगा.
जैसा ये सेम प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है अभी बार्सिलोना के साथ. अभी उनके जो लामासिया का जो प्रोडक्ट पहले आता था 2007 2008 के टाइम, अभी उधर से भी प्लेयर आना बंद हो गया. मतलब वो लोग भी चांस नहीं दे रहे हैं लामासिया प्रोडक्ट. rather they brought some star player like Griezmann and that player from Ajax team.
Yeah, you need homegrown players, you know. Like you see why I like Chelsea is Chelsea को 2 साल किसी कोई प्लेयर को साइन करने को मिला नहीं है, लेकिन you see all the whole league वो लोग 4-5 तो यंग प्लेयर लेके चल गया है, you know, and that's the greatness, you know.
Yeah, that Hudson-Odoi, Mason Mount have a bright future.
Yeah.
So yeah. So last question that Sunil Chhetri or Baichung Bhutia?
Sunil Chhetri and both are different players again. You know, if you see दोनों का game style is totally different है. Baichung will always stay in the box, wait for the ball, and then he is very agile. he can do a lot of he can scope better from that box. But if you see Sunil Chhetri, he likes to come from the wing. Right now also he's playing from the left.
Left wing.
He's playing from the. He loves to cut in. You know, those are two different players, so you cannot compare. But you are forgetting
Yes.
one person name. That is I am Bijayan.
Yeah, I am Bijayan. I'm talking about that.
I am Bijayan. His guy, you know, Sunil Chhetri, Baichung are really good players, good individuals, good personalities. But never forget I am Bijayan. You know what
I am
he has
Bijayan.
done. I have played with I am Bijayan for many years since 1998. I played with Baichung. I played with Sunil. But they
Black
both,
Bear.
three of them are great individuals and great strikers. You know, at least in our
Yes.
era. In our era, I know. Before us, there were many other players, Krishan Uday, and then we have PK Banerjee. You know, you have Chuni Goswami, but after that, you know, they are in our era at least. You know, I am Bijayan started, then Baichung, then Sunil now, and I want someone to take the place. You know, soon. You know, how long Sunil Chhetri is 35, but he is in top fit. काफी fit
ये काफी fit है
काफी
35
fitness
में.
अभी अच्छा है उसका, and I'm really happy. But I want someone to take over in few years.
अभी ऐसा कोई प्लेयर ही नहीं है जो उसका मतलब सुनील छेत्री का रिप्लेसमेंट होगा. कोई नहीं है.
Yeah. Yeah.
क्योंकि आईएसएल में चांसेस मिलना चाहिए. जो भी है इस बात में आप लोग
More
मतलब
than
हम
ISL,
सबने
more
डिस्कस
than
किया.
ISL, I want the Indian league or the state league to have for under 13, 15 and 18. वो जब तक
18.
नहीं रहेगा हम लोग कभी देखने को मिलेगा नहीं.
Yes, right. Even we have last year we have Subho Ghosh who has means potentially sound, who scored against some crucial goal, but somehow this year maybe I don't know he will get some
Yeah.
chance. He will get chance or not.
That's why the reserve league is also important, no? जो chance नहीं है, जो those players who are good, like you said, who are good, talented, and not ready for ISL, good for the second division, and those players you need the reserve league चलाना चाहिए. अभी all world में मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड का जो है, जो मेन टीम में नहीं है, जो बाकी प्लेयर है वो लोग रिजर्व लीग खेलता है. तो रिजर्व लीग में अगर खेलता है तो वो लोग को मैच टाइम मिल रहा है. यहाँ पर अभी बच्चा लोग अगर बाहर बैठे रहेगा तो स्टेडियम का गैलरी में बैठे रहेगा, कभी खेलने सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस करने को मिलेगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ रिजर्व लीग जहाँ पर वो लोग हर सैटरडे खेलने को मिले, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू डेवलप.
Yeah.
Anyway, brother, yeah. So it's 1 hour
Have a-
21 minutes.
Yeah, it was a great experience. बहुत कुछ सुनने को मिला from the legend itself, and we are very glad to have you now at the main stage.
Yes.
And lastly, we'd like to conclude this. And before that, रेनेडी, हम लोग फैंस लोग हैं, तो उसके लिए आपका क्या मैसेज रहेगा इन for the betterment of football and for the future of football?
I think Mohan Bagan, for me, the way you guys have supported when we were there for 6 years and in Calcutta for 12 years, I think please continue doing that, because as a former player playing in Calcutta for 12 years, and I will always cherish. So if you guys continue doing that, I think there will be a lot more players, young players, they need support. So agar sometimes they don't play a great match, but please support till the end, you know, and that's how I want to have that good relation between the players and the fans. आप लोग जितना अच्छा supporter करने मिलेगा, player लोग उतना ही खुश होता है. See, I'm an ex-player and I still remember the time you guys supported, you know, और तुम्हारा seniors लोग जो देखने के लिए आता था, इतना support अभी भी वो प्यार मिलता है, you know, and it should continue for years and years, you know. And that's very important, and it was nice talking to you both, you know, Raj and Santanu, and please keep supporting the and then and we have to have
Sure.
bigger fan base, I feel.
Sure.
Thank you, and we'd like
Thank
to
you.
wish you all the best for your academy. You are
Academy.
doing a great job, and academy is the base of football.
Few years you will see at least in I League, or
Yeah.
you will see the players very soon in ISL, my players, you know, someday.
Hope
That
we will see some big players who will represent India.
I'm sure if 2 years, give me 2 years, you will see. You know, I've been working for last 2 years, so in 4 years I should be able to.
That
Sure.
will be good. And one thing we'd also like to see you as a coach in ISL in near future. That's the
obviously.
Let me work with the younger lot in few years for sure.
Sure.
We'll be happy to see you, because we grown up seeing players like you. And thank you once again very much.
Thank you once again. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
brother.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Last, you know,
Okay.
thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
good
Good night. Good night, Reddy. Yeah.
Good night. Good night. Good night.
Bye.